Okay, so this is the Rosemarkie Caves Project Dig 2018 Day 9, and we're preparing to remove the remains of the furnace from Cave 1A.
The soil comes away. We'll just get that out of the hole after and collect any last bits up, you know.
Could you just describe what you're doing, Steve?
Yeah, so what we've got here is obviously we've section excavated through the feature, the furnace, the smithing furnace this way, which gives us quite a bit of information. But as we started to remove the other deposits, then we got this really nice section through what survives of the smithing art. So what you've got is obviously part of the furnace wall sitting on this stone slab, and then down below it you've got part of the art base with its different laminations in it. So what we're trying to do is raise it as complete as we can. We've got a good record of it anyway, but obviously just seeing if we can get it out in one piece and transport it back may not happen that way, but we'll see how it goes. So I think, Sam, if you could just relieve this stuff from around here, from this, because hopefully this slab and this will have to come together. It's nearly loose, so you can see. When I just move this, see, I'd be happy if we get, you know, attached to all these stones. Yeah. That's pretty nearly loose now. Right, let's try it that. Then have to stay put there when I get it in here, that's the trouble. On the ground.
Hello.
It's not too bad.
Well done.
That's great.
Hey.
Not too bad.
Good round of applause.
Oh, okay. Right. All right. Thanks, Clara.
Come in, clean out the hole the best you can.
Yep.
And we'll retain any of the sort of.
This is the end of Day 9, Rosemarkie Caves Dig 2018, and we've had fantastic progress, but we still have work to do. You can see there's been quite a bit of finishing up in this cave, but we're still not backfilled.
It's gone already.
And over in the main
I didn't put
cave,
it in your little finds tray, I'm sorry.
if I can get past them,
Or not.
still a lot of context to explore, still a lot of archaeology in here, and features being found all the time. Another small spot half found there, and some possible stake holes over in this
No, leave it
area.
in there, it'll get put in as a find.
So we will be back next week.
I think that black